Section 10.2, Wave Motion. So because a wave travels through space, we can talk about how quickly that wave travels, or directly the wave speed. And the wave speed just describes how fast that disturbance moves through whatever medium the wave is moving through. Most waves require a medium to propagate. What that means is they require some substance in between where they start and where they stop, so that when the wave goes through, it can vibrate the substance as it travels. Sound behaves this way. As you speak, you vibrate the air, and the disturbance in the air travels through the air. With no air, you can't hear any sounds. The sound doesn't travel. It requires the medium of the air for the sound to travel. If we want to calculate the speed of the wave, we need only know the frequency and its wavelength. The wave speed in meters per second is just the product of frequency times the wavelength. So if you have a wave with a wavelength of 2 meters and a frequency of 3 hertz, then the wave speed would be 6 meters per second, 2 times 3. So the maximum speed that the wave can travel entirely depends on what type of wave it is and the medium that it's traveling through. So what substance it's traveling through. For gases, gas molecules are very spread out. So, for example, when you speak, you vibrate the air in front of your mouth, and that vibration travels through the air to the next person. But because the air molecules are spread out, it takes some time for the air molecules that you hit with the voice command of your mouth to hit the ones next to them, and then to hit the ones next to them, so that that sound or that wave can travel through the air. In terms of a liquid molecules are much closer together, so it's easier to vibrate the next molecule when you vibrate the first one. So sound actually travels faster in a liquid than it does in the air, and it travels even faster in a solid for similar reasons. Solid molecules are all locked in together. If you vibrate one, you vibrate all the ones it's connected to. And so the maximum wave speed depends entirely on what type of wave it is and what type of medium it's traveling through.